Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. It is Monday the 19th of December and this low light, I've just seen how badly my hair needs cutting. Anyway, just a few things to speak about today, nothing that exciting. Let's start with deliveries. Wiggle. Finally got a delivery from Wiggle for some arm warmers and some leg warmers. I thought I'd invest in some merino ones. They've been delivered to work today. Finally, so I'll get to collect them tomorrow. It's been such a nightmare waiting for those, and I paid extra as well, so that was $3.99 down the drain. What else do I want to talk to you about? I'm leaving the caravan. Closes at the end of the year, so it's my last day at work tomorrow. Start a new job in the new year, so get to finish a few days before Christmas. So I've just been running around, boxing everything today. Everything's in the car waiting to go at 5 o'clock. Yeah, so it's 2 trips. Got 1 bike today, and then I'll load up the car up again with my gravel bike. So yeah, after this video or the next one, it'll be from Cleethorpes. So yeah, just different surroundings on the video really. Looks like Wednesday I'm going to be riding a 200 winter solstice ride. Hopefully I'm going to be joined by Chris Skelhorn for that. This is his idea, he's doing the route, and I need to get the route from him as soon as possible so I can submit it as a DIY as well, so I can get some more DAX points. So hopefully that'll take place sometime this week. Got the date in for Wednesday, but it may happen Thursday, I don't know. Let's see what he has to say. Yeah, so got 11 days, or was it 12 days more of Vlogmas, basically throughout the month of December. Done it last year, and I'm doing it this year. Every single day I bring you some kind of vlog or video. So over the weekend I had to edit a couple of videos together really quickly. The first of those was the High Peak Trail on Saturday, and yesterday I was riding really around Sherwood Pines at the trails there. Not really gravel, but UK gravel, so to speak. So yeah, that was all good fun. And today I'm talking to you a bit of an update, a Monday update. And what else have I got going this week? Haven't decided yet, really. I'm just going to be winging it. It's the Festive 500. Starts on Sunday next week. So I'm hoping to be aiming towards that. If you don't know what the Festive 500 is, basically it's you ride between Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. I think that's right, Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. 8 days. And you try and hit a target of 500 kilometres. For those that have been asking, no, I am not planning to do it in a wanna. I don't think I ever will actually. Doesn't really appeal to me unless it's a really, really mild Christmas period. You know, tropical, 30 degrees and 20 degrees overnight. I will never do a 500 kilometres ride in the depths of winter. Just the day's too short. I can't think of anything worse in my life to do than a festive 500 in one go. So back to the topic of deliveries again. Julian Hutchins, you may know him. I'll stick his channel in the corner of the screen somewhere. He said he was going to send me some diner plugs, so hopefully they've been delivered to my mum's and dad's house. I will find out tomorrow whether they have or not. Gearing up to go tubeless, that's what it is, gearing up to go tubeless. I've got the slime. I've even bought one of those gauges for measuring your PSI in your tyres. Thought let's just go the hog and do it properly. Big thanks to Tom Stringer. I'll stick a link to his channel as well in the corner of the screen there. I met him at Sherwood Pines yesterday, and we just went around for a few hours enjoying those trails, including the Kitchener Trail. Well, I did the full Kitchener Trail at the end. Tom, cheeky bugger, he managed to escape that one. For most of the Kitchener Trail, it was raining all the way through, and the route became very slippy. And just continued to rain all the way back. So I hope you continue to watch me for the rest of December. If you've got any stories to share down in the comments below, have you got any plans for Christmas? If you live anywhere near Lincolnshire, perhaps sharing them with me, and perhaps we can go out for a ride together, hook up. I don't start the new job to the 3rd of December, so I've got a bit of playtime. If you haven't subscribed already and you want to buy me a Christmas present, hit that subscribe button. It would be great to have you on board. Lots of content coming up in 2023, including the Pan Celtic race, the Dirty Reaver, Great British Escapade, and of course loads of Audax rides as I aim to compete in Paris-Brest Paris in August. Right, I'm leaving here. For me, take care. See you again soon. Bye bye.